In a left shoulder, we observe a delaminated rotator cuff tear with retraction of the articular layer. In these cases, it is essential to first reduce the articular layer using a convergence stitch. Subsequently, fixation is performed utilizing the sutures from the previously placed anchor. During this step, it is important to maintain the reduction while passing the sutures through the tendon in order to preserve the relationship between both layers. Once the convergence stitch is tied, we can appreciate how the articular layer adequately covers the footprint, including the area where the anchor had been inserted. Finally, a standard dependent double row repair is performed, achieving an anatomic reduction and complete repair of the lesion.